Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming controllers and accounts. Do that now. Sync each controller and check battery. Once both respond in the console UI, sign into two distinct profiles. You need separate profiles because the game assigns player data per account, so make sure not to use a single account for both players. Next, start Black Ops 3 and choose a mode that supports local co-op, like campaign or zombies, so the game can initialize split screen correctly. Once both profiles are signed in, navigate to Options and then Display. Change the split screen orientation to horizontal or vertical depending on your TV. Horizontal often fixes misalignment. Make sure HUD scale is around 100% and the game is set to a 16:9 screen mode to avoid cropping. If elements shift or overlap, toggle resolution or display mode once, save settings, and restart the game. This forces the engine to rebuild the split layout and usually clears rendering bugs that cause a split screen to look wrong. You're nearly done. Start a local match and check camera alignment by moving both players around the map. If the split still looks off, perform a full power cycle of the console and reconnect controllers. Sometimes the video buffer needs clearing. When issues persist, recreate the local profile pairing or clear the game cache. If nothing else works, verify or repair game files or reinstall, because corrupted UI data can cause permanent split-screen glitches. That step fixes most stubborn cases.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.